All right, we are in Studio 61 this morning tackling a tough topic around the holidays, divorce. It can be pretty disruptive for some families. The enormous challenges that families face can, challenge even the best coping abilities, and too often traditional adversarial divorce processes can make the matters even worse, causing extreme stress and in some cases trauma. It can leave long-lasting scars, even on the little ones in the family. So this morning, we are joined by attorney Campbell Barrett to talk a little bit about how to make this process smoother for the family. This is something that's already, pretty stressful for people to deal with. And as we approach the holidays, families want to try to make an effort to get everyone together. What can families do to kind of, make this smooth for everyone?
I think divorcing parents or divorced parents need to focus on the children. Too often, parents get caught up in their own agendas, trying to one-up the other parent, make sure that they feel like they're getting their fair share of the children, when the focus really needs to be on the kids. The focus needs to be on making sure that the experience for the children is as seamless as possible and they can enjoy the holiday as every typical kid does.
Yeah, it's an important time of year where a lot of memories are made, or kids may have certain memories in past years and feel a way about, that maybe not continuing anymore. What do you think it's important for the parents to teach their kids?
I think it's important that traditions are critical. Family traditions are critical, but in a newly divorced family, there's an opportunity for new traditions. And to instill that in the children, that although our family is different today than it was perhaps in prior years, we're still going to enjoy the holiday, and it's going to be extra exciting because we're going to have these new opportunities to create new memories.
Yeah. Now, for the parents out there, I know this can be tough for them as well. If a kid has a preference of which family they'd like to, spend more time with, what advice do you have for them?
I think it really depends on the age of the child. You can't let the children necessarily control the entire holiday, but I think listening to what the child or children want and trying to accommodate that within reason is the appropriate course.
Right. Yeah, definitely a tough situation for a lot of families to deal with out there around this time of year. But we thank you for joining us this morning and kind of shedding some light on hopefully what can be a smooth transition for folks dealing with that.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
All right. Well, let's go ahead.